Welcome back to my tutorial on C++ coding. In this video, we're going to dive into the important topic of omitting the std namespace and using statements in C++ programming. As experienced C++ developers know, the std namespace contains the standard library functions, classes, and objects that are commonly used in C++ code, while it can be convenient to just include using namespace std at the top of your program. This is generally considered poor coding practice. Instead, the recommended approach is to either explicitly qualify every standard library entity you use with the std prefix, or to use more targeted using statements for just the specific entities you need. This helps improve code readability and maintainability, and avoids potential naming conflicts with your own variables and functions. We'll start by looking at some examples of why explicitly qualifying std entities is important. Then, I'll show you how to selectively import just the parts of the standard library you require using targeted using statements. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of best practices for managing the std namespace in your C++ programs. Let's get started. Omitting namespace. You might see some C++ programs that runs without the standard namespace library. The using namespace std line can be omitted and replaced with the std keyword, followed by the operator for some objects. Example, #include iostream, int main at std, count hello world, return 0. C++ statements. A computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called statements. The following statement instructs the compiler to print the text hello world to the screen. Example, count hello world. Many statements. Most C programs contain many statements. The statements are executed one by one in the same order as they are written. Example, count hello world. Count have a good day. Return 0. Example explained. From the example above, we have three statements. 1. Print var hello world. 2. Print var have a good day. 3. Return 0. The first statement is executed first print hello world to the screen. Then the second statement is executed print have a good day to the screen. And at last, the third statement is executed end the C program successfully. You will learn more about statements while reading this tutorial. For now, just remember to always end them with a semicolon to avoid any errors. Coming up, the next chapter will teach you how to control the output and how to insert new lines to make it more readable.